So once our profile definition is set up, we'll now create our function definition with DIS function editor. A function definition is a DataMiner object that is created from an XML file. This function's XML file may contain multiple function definitions. To create a function, let's create a new XML file from Visual Studio. So let's click File, New File, select the DataMiner function templates, click Open, browse to our protocol, click OK, access the function editor, click New Function. Of course, we'll need a name. From the profile dropdown, you can select our created profile. Let's click OK. Let's add a new page. And on the right of our screen, we'll identify all the configured parameters in the protocol. So we'll be aiming to use the filtering capabilities here to find our parameters. So I'll find the modulator mode one and just simply drag and drop it on our layout, so on our modulator page. Once we're happy with all the parameters we intend to feature in our function, let's click Apply Changes. And here we can find our function defined with a unique width and a unique profile. So this profile is the one that we created. We can also observe the parameters and the export rules that define the display of a parameter. So let's save this file and publish it on our DataMiner installation. Let's click Publish and access our DataMiner. So we'll now want to see our function and activate it for our protocol. So let's access the protocols and templates. Let's browse to our protocol. Here we can find the new tech protocol and we can see our new function file that we just published. So let's right click this and set it as active functions file. Are you sure you want? Yes. Okay, our function is now active. Let's access the Profiles app again, as we have one last step on our profile parameter configuration. So under the modulator mode parameter, we'll want to bridge the gap between the profile parameter and the protocol parameter. So we need to link our profile parameter with the protocol parameter. So here we will find a linked with table where we will define a link. We'll click Add and select our protocol. So make sure to select the function protocol that you just defined. Let's use the production version. It's always a best practice. And find our parameter modulator mode. Let's click OK. And here you can find already our parameter properly linked with our protocol name with the respective protocol version and under the correct parameter ID. So let's make sure to save all changes and proceed to the next step, which will be to define a profile load script for applying this profile.